Alright guys, we're going to go down to the creek, pick up Logan's fish trap, and we're going to take it down to Crooked Creek and put it in the water because we're not having any luck in our shallow creek down here by the railroad tracks. So we're going to run down there before we get stormed out and try and get it in the water. Coda, you can't go to the creek with us. You got to go protect Hayden. Coda, in the house, buddy. Bud, come on. Come on. All right, we're going to pull the trap out of the train trestle and get moving. It's starting to rain on us. Can you get her, Logie? You need me to get it? Here, you hold this. I'll get it. Here, over here with it.
All these are flying ants.
All right, let's get it out of the truck, Logan.
Wait, got it. I'm gonna film that one at the trail.
All right, we're done. Almost.
So just drive now.
All right, it's starting to rain. Heading back to the truck, trying to beat the rainstorm.
Uh-oh, I heard a crack. Crack.
That's right, a side hill moochie.
I don't know who lives on that side hill moochie.
Bigfoot's cousin.
Bigfoot's cousin?
You're close tailgate?
Probably have to bring up fishing poles and fish.
Yeah, we gotta get up early and get down there before. Better hope it don't flood tonight, because then our trap will be gone. They're calling for flash floods tonight.
Really?